Tired of seeing others prosper from trading? You can do it too. Your time is now. If you've ever found yourself staring at the trading charts and wondering why some traders seem to have the Midas touch while you're not reaching the results you want, we, from Traders Lessons, are here to help you unlock that mystery. Today, we're diving into why time is not just money in trading, it's everything. So let's kick this off with a fundamental truth. Timing is critical. The market waits for no one. While you're hesitating, someone else is making their fortune. But don't worry, we'll guide you on how to stay ahead. First off, understand the market cycles. Markets move in waves, ups and downs. By recognizing these patterns, you can anticipate potential moves. This doesn't mean you need to be glued to your screen all the time. Instead, it's about smart time management. Set alerts, stay updated with market news, and plan your trading time around volatile hours. Effective trading isn't just about action, it's about informed action. Spend your time wisely by researching thoroughly. Know what you're trading and why. Is there a financial report coming out soon? Is a particular sector showing promise due to recent developments? These details matter. Remember, the goal is not to trade more, but to trade smarter. And here's a quick tip. Always keep learning. The markets evolve, and so should you. Dedicate time each week to learn something new about trading. This could be through webinars, books, or even following top traders and financial analysts. Remember that in trading, time wasted is money lost. But by being strategic about how you use your time, you can turn the tide in your favor. Don't just watch others succeed, be the success. Thanks for watching, and good luck from Traders Lessons.